One of the great things about Inforiver Charts is how quickly and easily you can make an IBCS certified visual template. We will start by using the wizard and selecting IBCS certified, at which point it will give us a visual prompt of where to put our calculations and categorical values. Once you have added the data from your model, it will automatically create the columns, variances, and comparisons in the IBCS standards. Variance calculations are automatically included as well in the visuals down here, and at any point you can click the pencil edit icon and configure this in two modes. You can either compare one category with another. Additionally, if you come back to the edit icon as well, select that. You can also compare a column against itself to be able to have a measure comparison as well. If you come up to the Charts menu in the upper left, you'll also have an option down here to see all of the various types of IBCS compatible charts. Additionally, any of these charts can be easily converted into small multiples by just adding a category or dimension under group. In this example, we'll add subcategory to the group well, and we've immediately created small multiples that were automatically organized into the visual. Plus, even if you're not utilizing the small multiples feature, you have the ability to drill down quickly and easily. If you come up to the icon here in the upper right, you can get a breakout of all of your higher level categories within your hierarchy and the children below them, showing you additional insights for your data. And you can continue the analysis by selecting the little focus icon here, which will give you a full screen view of that particular section of the data, with the ability to use a card-like experience to scroll through them. There are also multiple ways to apply a top N ranking depending on the structure of your data. You come up to top N in the upper left. In this scenario, you'll see that we have two options, either for trellis or for category. Let's go ahead and apply a trellis. For a top 3, select apply. And we've now filtered our small multiples down just to the top 3, and we can additionally apply a category filter of a similar experience as well to a top 3, select apply. And last but not least, we have an option to show remaining items. And we can now see a small multiple in the lower left for an others category that automatically includes the remaining data. Similarly, there are multiple ways to apply sorting. If we come up here, we have an option to apply sorting either by category or by group. Let's go ahead and change the group sorting to ascending. And similarly, we can come up to category and change that to ascending as well. Annotations are another important part of the IBCS standards to help convey the right message. Inforiver Charts comes with built-in data point annotations and tooltips like you see here. Additionally, you can also come and add your own custom ones by selecting this, choosing the location for your annotation, typing in the annotation, and the annotation text box, as well as the marker, can be moved independently. When using the small multiples, you have a few different options of how to configure the display. If you come up to here, you can switch between actuals or any of the variances easily and quickly. Additionally, you have the option to turn on multiple, and you can have any one of these on or all three at the same time.